linear pattern in SOLIDWORKS. In the part document, with the base plate and the footer of the pattern element, activate command linear pattern from the panel features. Use the mouse to set the direction and specify some direction, set distance and set number instances. And second direction, change number. To form linear pattern of sketch in drawing document, give me a second please. Select the sketch and activate the command linear sketch pattern. Add some distance, add instances, and second direction, add instances, change direction and add distance.